Welcome back to another metal detecting the 6 adventure. It was raining in the 6 in August. It cut down some hunts. And let me tell you, finding stuff in the 6 is becoming more and more difficult. But we do have silver coming up in some other videos, so I hope that you stay with us to see those finds. In this one, it was, like I said, just rain, cutting down hunts, and it really wants me to say, rain, rain, go away, come back another day. We used to say that as kids. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and stay with us as we make some more. Thanks for watching. Okay, this was coming in at 28.29, so I would suspect that, first of all, it looks like it's a order, but it may not be. Looks like it might be a token of some type. I'll have to look at that a little bit more closely. Magnifying glass. Oh, hang on. Okay, this may be a little bit weird. We're going to put this down. I'm going to take a magnifying glass to that first. Alrighty, another quarter here. 1 1/4. The other object that I found was a US quarter. So we've got a couple of quarters here on the go right now. Interesting one. And we'll see you on the next. Okay, we're finding all kinds of crazy things. I may have found earlier a earring. I don't know what this is. Yeah, like a weird hook. It's almost looking like a ring. What that is. It's busted off. It's got a hook of some type right there. May have been a keychain? I don't know. It's been raining here. It was cold rain. It is now stopped and it's warm enough, which is great. Anyway, we'll continue to look what we can find here. We'll see on the next. It looks like we found a crazy bait. Silts. STLH. Sorry, STLH, I guess. Crazy. See you on the next. I've not even seen that, but where I parked my car, bit of a coin spill. 15 cents. Maybe somebody was running through the park here, through the parking lot. Anyway, 15 cents. There you go. Alright, we're heading home. Not a great hunt, but that's the way it is sometimes. We're out here on a Saturday. Park. It's undergoing a lot of renovation. There's a dime. I thought that was a penny, but we got 10 cents. Let's see what else we can find. A couple of digs right now. We found this dime and a penny. So let's continue. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, definitely got a coin here. Got a quarter here. Oh yeah. Right there. 25 cents. Not bad. See on the next. Looks like we got a nice quarter here. There we go, nice and clean. Pretty good. Trying to get up to a buck. It's beginning to rain again. It's the weather. August, we're in the 6th, very wet summer. Anyway, a quick wrap up on those 2 rain-shortened hunts. I actually can't find half the coins that I found, but that's the way it is. They're probably commingled somewhere else. There's the vape that I found. There's that little crazy hook. All weird stuff. Then a few pennies there. There's the quarter. This one is the US quarter. It is painted rocks, and that's why it was looking pretty weird. Could not tell George Washington there because it was so dirty, but there is George. Turn him around. There it is. You can see that. And then we found this Canadian quarter was also a souvenir kind of quarter or commemorative. And as you saw, this second hunt we found some other quarters. Now, I did not film this when I found it. I think that is a bead of some type. Nothing great, but that was also found on the hunts. So there you go. That is my Prospector Steve wrap up. Got out a little bit today again. It's now towards the end of October here in the 6th. Tough finds, for sure, and the weather also was not great. But anyway, there we are. We'll see you hopefully soon. We do have some silver coming up and some other jewelry. So, stay tuned for all that. Prospector Steve, over and out.